Did you know you can also respond to somebody with something called a quick reply? So let's say you're like, Jennifer, I love that leopard print shirt. Where did you get it? Well, if I get 50 of those, I don't want to type out every time, hey girl, I got it at this boutique and here's my affiliate link. By the way, if you don't know what an affiliate link is, like, you need to be in my coaching group. Let me just say that. And so it sometimes gets, if it's the same people asking the same question about a product and I'm just needing to give them a canned response, you can go into your Instagram settings, okay? So if you don't know how to get to your Instagram settings, go to your personal Instagram or, your Instagram profile. And then I want you to click on the 3 straight lines up on the top and go to settings. And it's in there that you can hit quick replies. It's under the word business right now. It does sometimes move, so you might have to look for it if it's not under business. So if I go under business, quick reply. Right now I have like this quick reply. It's from Nordstrom's rack, but it's been sold out for a hot minute. Ugh, with a crying face. So a lot of people were asking me about a jacket a while back. They're like, I want that jacket. I want that jacket. So I just typed in the keyword jacket and it auto populates with, it's from Nordstrom's rack, but it's been sold out for a hot minute. Ugh, crying face. Does that make sense? It's a time saver. So if you need something like a time saver, use the quick replies. Otherwise, give them a voice or a video. They love that. Make sure also that you click on the link that's on this video because it's a social media quiz. It's to see what your social media IQ is. And I want you to be able to know so you know how much more you need to grow. Because here's the truth. Social media is the thing that's going to grow your business the biggest, the fastest. It's going to make you the most profitable in your business the quickest if you do it right. So hope that this was helpful today. And thanks for being here on the YouTubes. Bless you, my friend. Bye-bye.